guys, Lila here, and today we are here with another Sketchbox, and I am with my dad.
Hey guys, so this one is the August Premium Sketchbox. Like I said in our previous video, we still kept getting them all summer. We just didn't do a lot of videos because we were enjoying summer. But now we're back. You guys doing lots of videos again. We got our Sketchbox videos going. Excuse me. So let's get in here and see what we have. Are you ready?
Wait, hand me. Where's the opening?
Oh, let's show them the art first.
Oh, yeah.
Art by Adrienne Da Silva at Knitting.
Wait, far up.
There it is. That's cool. I like the line work on that one. That's awesome.
Wait, I still need to figure out what this is. Oh, it's like mountains in the red sky.
Yeah.
You can have that because I don't want to peek.
First thing.
Confetti.
Confetti.
Okay, now seriously though.
So that's our card. Let's not look at that just yet. What's this one?
Oh yeah, the cool art. It looks like a frightened kid.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. So this art is by Erin Henry. And I will flip it around here in a second so you can see all their stuff. They're based out of, she is based out of Atlanta, it looks like. So her Instagram and everything's on the back. If you want to go check her out, that's awesome. There's her art. Very, very cool.
I don't even know what Instagram and Snapchat are.
All right, what's next? What else you got? All the confetti.
Wait, did I actually pull most of it? Oh my gosh, I still got a lot left. This is gonna be a fun night, Dad.
Okay. What's in there that's not confetti?
Wait, not?
I know, there's stuff in the Sketchbox that's not confetti.
Yay, Derwent stuff.
Oh, Derwent. We love Derwent, huh? Whoa.
Whoa. I thought it was gonna be a flipper. No, I thought it was gonna be a flipper, just not straight like
cool. Derwent color pencils.
We need to get the rest of them.
There's a whole 6 of them, looks like.
Oh, and if you need to store something, and if you want to store something in the bottom of it and not this, you can actually take this out and then you have like a storage thing.
So Derwent pencils, and there's a sharpener in the bottom. I love it when they include sharpeners, even though a lot of times we end up using a knife or razor blade to sharpen a lot of our stuff.
And can I take those out for a second to show them something?
Sure.
And also, if you, wanted to, store stuff in the bottom, you could take this out and then put this on, because then people want to think to look in here for stuff, because they're like, oh, just Derwent stuff. So they want to think to look in here for stuff that's not Derwent, because, it literally says Derwent on it. So it's like a good storage thing.
There you go. It is a cool little tin. Derwent always has cool tins. But this is cool. I don't think we have any Derwent color pencils yet. So.
Okay, and I think this is one of our nicest, and I think that's one of our nicest things I've got from Derwent, just because, a flat case with, 6 pencils.
Yeah, that's really cool. Derwent color pencils. What is this?
I don't think it's like one of those card things.
Oh, it's talking about those color pencils. I wonder if this actually fell out of there. But yeah, they're oil-based color pencils. So that's really cool. They're the light fast.
Because it might have, because you could see in the silver thing that it got bent a bit.
Oh yeah, so maybe it came loose inside. But anyways.
Because hang on, but can I show them the bentness?
No, let's go on.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a little bit bent. Huh?
Yeah, it's a little bit bent, maybe from the shipping, right?
Maybe. It's just a little tin, so it's not a big deal.
Confetti for the logo.
And a logo. Gotta protect that logo sticker, huh?
Okay, it's safe now.
It's safe. All right, what else is in there?
Hit. Pretty much just confetti, but still got more stuff. Sharpener. Come on, you're wasting my hand. Come on.
So, and look at this. So this is cool. It's a little sharpener, and
that looks like a sharpener that Taylor has in class.
It's a sharpener on one end.
Because you can erase your stuff, and then if you didn't like the stuff, erase.
Interesting.
Sharpen.
We'll have to play this, play with this, because I think.
What do you mean by play with it?
Oh, there you go. Yeah, so it seals up and seals down, and then you can fit it back in here.
Can we test it by shredding confetti?
Nope. And then as an eraser, that goes in the other end. That's neat. You can kind of take that anywhere with you. I like that. What else is in here? Mr. Confetti Man.
Hey.
We have.
Oh, yay, more Derwent.
Oh, more Derwent.
No, it's graffiti. It's graffiti.
Graphite, right?
Oh, I thought it was graffiti.
Graphitint. So, but these are 3 more color pencils. A blue, aubergine, which is like a gray blue it looks like, and a meadow, light green.
You can't see. Oh.
So I'm guessing
my mask just fell off.
this month is all like color pencil stuff, maybe? Or pencils?
You can't see me, I got my mask on.
All right, Mr. Mask, what else is in here? Oh, just a couple more things. Those Derwent pencils must be kind of spendy.
Yeah, because like we didn't get much of them, but hey, Derwent's really nice though.
Yeah.
So you want to show off the last things?
Apparently I'm showing off the last 2 things. We have Polychroma by Faber-Castell, another color pencil, like a sky blue. And, oh, I like the feel of this pencil. This is awesome. Please don't.
Okay.
So this one is like...
You already knew what I was up to, huh?
This is just a 9B graphite. This is awesome. This is a big, fat graphite. Super soft.
Like, can I get the feel of it?
9B pencil.
Oh my gosh, like that, like it.
I really like that. I've never...
Oh, Daddy, but do you know what this is? This
It's
is
by Cretacolor. I may have to get some more of these. This is really cool.
Well, Dad, because you know when we were like getting arts that we were meant to draw, I think that's what this is.
Yeah. Yeah, this is fantastic. I like the size of this pencil a lot.
You,
I don't know if...
You almost can't see the hair in this one. Like,
Yeah, she kind of blended it all in.
Yeah, I mean, like, well, what do you expect? Black hair on a black background.
Yeah, but it's just highlighted by like purple and blue.
Wait, what? Oh.
So.
But the entire thing is.
These are from Austria. So going over it again real quick.
Ooh.
You want to do one more confetti real quick, and then we'll go over everything.
One more confetti? You mean a giant mountain?
Let's see the giant mountain of confetti.
Oh yeah. Yay! Confetti! Oh, so I have some over here, have some over there. Yep.
Okay, so now that we've got confetti over everything, we got the Derwent color pencils. There's 6 of them.
Hey, look, let me show these off. There it is. Let me show them off. So we get like a tan. We got tan, light blue. I think this one's probably your favorite. We got yellow, I think. Oh, and then this is like skin color almost. Why is this one kind of bent? Maybe from the shipping or something? But
I don't think it's bent.
oh, look at the tip.
Oh, it's just, yeah, the tip's a little dull. It's no big deal.
Oh, and then brown,
Yeah,
like a tree.
So they're all like earth tones, which is cool.
Put those back in there.
Yep, put them in here.
That you missed one.
I didn't miss. It jumped out. I'm sure of it. So this is a Polychroma light blue color pencil. We got the artwork, which is amazing. I love that style of art.
Again.
And then 3 more Derwent pencils. And this is, I hate to say it, because I love Derwent and we need really nice color pencils. I really, really like this sketching pencil, this thick one. And then a pencil sharpener eraser to go with everything. So to go over it real quick.
But like, you know what I thought this was? Because like you would sharpen it and then like it would fall onto the eraser. Then the eraser would like grind that up and then it would just like fall down here and then like nothing would be down there almost.
Oh no, see it's divided. So it's 2 parts. There's a sharpener on top and an eraser on bottom.
It's actually really cool.
Okay, so this is the premium box.
It's premium
I think I get
box?
charged $40 every month, so this must be like $35 plus shipping. One of these days I'll actually look it up again and so I can tell you correctly. These were $22.50, so yeah, that's where the bulk of the cost went. The individual ones are $2.89 a piece. The Faber-Castell guy was $2.85, so those are actually really close in price. We'll have to do like a comparison on these and see which one's nicer. So this is only $2.15, so I'm going to actually look at maybe getting a set of these. It's kind of a nice, like between using charcoal and normal graphite. And then this guy was $4.50. That's crazy, but it must be nice. So
but when you think about it, like erasers are normally like $2.50 or something, and then like the sharpeners are like kind of expensive normally. So this is actually a good deal for this though. When you get both of them, like when it would normally be like $10, getting it for like $4.50.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So and don't forget, guys, we are super new to art, like within the last couple of years. So a lot of this stuff is totally foreign to us. Sketchbox does this really, really cool Sketchbox school. It's on the bottom here. It kind of walk you through how to use all the supplies. It's been super valuable to us because we are neophytes at this whole art thing, but we have a lot of fun doing it.
Hey,
Eli is constantly drawing, so do you want to say goodbyes?
Can I throw the mountain one more time?
One more time. Prepare yourself.
Give me a countdown for the confetti because I
3,
gotta prep it.
2.5, 2, 1 3/4, 1.5, 1 1/3, 1 1/4, 1. Ready, go!
Oh, shocking. I think I still got through some on the ground.
All right, say goodbye.
On my hand, I gotta finish up the confetti. Anyways, guys, if you like the video and the confetti, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and don't forget to share and throw confetti everywhere when you get a Sketchbox because it's really fun. Bye.
Bye.